How to link a bank account on Venmo. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily link a bank account on Venmo. So let's just begin. First off, you need to open up Venmo application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you can find the little profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap there, and then from there you can find the gear icon at the top right to go to your profile and settings. On your settings, find the payment methods on the third option. And from the payment method, you can just tap on add a bank or a card. Click on it, and this pop-up will appear on your screen. Just go ahead and select bank from here. Once you select bank, it's going to ask you whether you want an instant verification or a manual verification. So I'll just go ahead and click on the first option. Then click on continue. As you can see here, Venmo uses Plaid to verify your bank account. So let's just continue here. Tap on continue again. So to connect your bank account, it's going to use Plaid. Search for your bank account and tap on it. Then basically log into your bank account using your username and password. And for extra verification, you can send a verification code on your text, phone, or email. Just select any one of that. Tap on continue down below. Then you just have to enter the code and then tap on submit. Once that is done, it will ask you to choose your primary account. Just go ahead and select your account and tap on continue again. And then you're good to go. You've successfully connected your bank account with your Venmo. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.